All right, everybody, this is spelling list 18. Ready for your test. You should have a blank sheet of paper. And the reason why I want you to handwrite this on a blank sheet of paper is obviously if you type it, your computer will be most helpful and tell you when you have it wrong. So all tests must be submitted to me on notebook paper and in your own handwriting. So everyone is ready, and here we go. Number 1, aerial. A radio or television antenna is called aerial. Aerial. Number 2, astronaut. John Glenn was the first American astronaut to orbit the Earth. Astronaut. Number 3, hemisphere. One hemisphere of Earth lies north of the equator. Hemisphere. Number 4, nautical. A nautical mile equals 6,076 feet. Nautical. Number 5, hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen combine to form water. Hydrogen. Number 6, aquanaut. An aquanaut lives in an underwater sea habitat to do research and exploration. Aquanaut. Number 7, atmosphere. Various types of clouds form in the Earth's atmosphere. Atmosphere. Number 8, hydroelectric. Water pressure is used to operate a generator to produce hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric. Number 9, oceanography. Jesse's interest in oceanography may lead to a future career in that field. Oceanography. Number 10, aerobics. My cousin does 30 minutes of aerobics every other day. Aerobics. Number 11, paragraph. I decided on a topic sentence that I will use in my paragraph. Paragraph. Number 12, paramedic. Uncle Matt is a flight paramedic in the Army. Paramedic. Number 13, seismograph. The seismograph indicated that a strong earthquake occurred in that region. Seismograph. Number 14, hydroponics. Carrots and other vegetables can be grown through the use of hydroponics. Hydroponics. 15, asteroid. The asteroid flyby came between Earth and communication satellites. Asteroid. 16, hydraulic. Brake fluid is used in cars with hydraulic brakes. Number 17, cartography. Cartography is the art or method of making maps and charts. Cartography. 18, aeronautics. Designing and making and flying aircraft. Sorry, let me say that again. Designing, making, and flying aircraft are all part of aeronautics. Aeronautics. 19, astronomy. Astronomy includes the study of stars, planets, and other matter in space. Astronomy. Number 20, nautilus. A nautilus is a mollusk with a spiraled chambered shell. Nautilus. 21, souvenir. My grandparents gave me a souvenir from their trip to Israel. Souvenir. 22, hurricane. The hurricane weakened after it made landfall. Hurricane. 23, restaurant. Aunt Jenny took us to an Italian restaurant. Restaurant. 24, bouquet. I picked a bouquet of daisies for my mother. Bouquet. And 25, tortilla. Rob used cheese, beans, and a tortilla to make a burrito. Tortilla. Okay, you are welcome to go listen back through this video in order to have any repeats of the words I've said. Take a picture of your completed test and upload it to this assignment for grading. If you have any questions or problems, just contact me through the Google Classroom and I'll get back to you.